just got to Thailand and I'm in my hotel room. I'm gonna show you a little tour.
I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under.
It's not an official hotel room tour unless I do the jump.
We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you.
I'm gonna go to bed to get some grub and then we'll pick up tomorrow. Okay, so the plan today, first day in Thailand, was to, lighting, was to go to a national park. I think it's called Khao Lak Lam Ru. Wow, I butchered that. And a bunch of little waterfalls and hiking trails, and it's like jungly, and then it leads out into the beach. Well, I woke up at 5:50. It's now 7:20, and this is our situation that we have right now. It is pouring down rain. Everything is wet. I literally have 2 dresses and then a pair of shorts and another pair of similar like little pants. I totally did not. I was so afraid of, well, I just didn't overpack. So then I was like, I'm literally just gonna bring like 5 items of clothing. But we're gonna go find some shorts, find some food, and let's do this. Alright, our point of going through this market is to find some kind of pant or short that I can wear to go through a waterfall. And, oh, I see something. Oh, I think it might work. Ooh, that might work too. That might work.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me want.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, he doesn't want it.
With my head underwater.
Okay, so we made it to the turtle conservation, and then I headed off to feed elephants bananas. I'm sorry, I was teasing you, girl.
Into you, I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close.
I didn't realize how hairy they were, you know? Like, I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
They're like so hairy.
Yes. I think it's own already.
Oh, really?
All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again.
It was like a really simple stop. I'm so glad we stopped and did that. Honestly, a trek would have been cool. Going to the waterfall, bathing them, whatever. That would have been awesome. But that was like good enough for me. Just spend like 15 minutes feeding the elephants bananas, and then we headed off and went to a couple markets, and I got some, oh, I don't know where it is. I got my nanny kids some sand toys for tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna do like a treasure hunt. One of the older one is really big into pirates, so I think I'm gonna like hide this as like treasure and make a map leading to it. But yeah, and then let's see, I got a lot of chocolate and different little snacks from the convenience store nearby, and one of them is this little treat, coconut pineapple cookies. They're actually really, really delicious. And then I picked up some tofu pad thai, and honestly, this trip would not be a successful Thailand trip without it, and it looks freaking yummy. And it tastes really good too. I mean, there's some good stuff out there. This is how you get around Thailand. I'm the only person in this whole truck except for the driver. If I was here longer, I would definitely be renting a scooter. Like, definitely. Like when I move to Bali next year, next spring, scooter for life, or scooter life. Those look so fun! We just arrived down the windy I feel like I'm on a horse or something. Giddy up. Giddy up. Let's see. Oh, it's so jungly. I like it. Night swims are my favorite thing ever. This lighting is terrible. There we go. You can hear the ocean from here. That's amazing. That's cool. Okay, I gotta swim before my food arrives. I'm on a mission.